Hey guys, this is Abhik and I'm back with a quick unboxing of this product which I bought it for Amazon. It is a door guard that is available in Amazon for around 350 to 400 rupees. So overall the packaging looks good, as you can see here. So the packaging overall looks good. So without much delay, let's go ahead and unbox this particular product. So I've taken this off, and let me get into this and pull this out for you. So this is how the product looks, guys. I've done the unboxing. So at the rear you would be able to see branding of 3M. So that's a good part. It gives good branded sort of sticks here. So that won't be an issue. This product is quite light in terms of weight. This portion, if you see here, this is kind of a foam sort of a material that is here at the sides. Okay, so this is foam, and this is basically polycarbonate or plastic. That's basically the build quality of this particular product. For the price, this looks decent. And it will definitely serve the purpose, basically what we are going to use it for. So it is basically a door guard that we'll be using to ensure that it doesn't scratch our doors while we open and there's another car or a wall next to it. So that's the purpose, and this should be able to solve the purpose perfectly. Long term, we might see scratches here. Of course, this is glossy black, so I'm expecting this to get some scratches. Otherwise, the product looks decent. I'll put this in my car, and the next clip I'll be showing it to you as how exactly this looks on my car.
So guys, I fixed this, and this is how it looks exactly after fixing. This is a fit and finish of the product. So just to give you an overview, this is basically there is a flex to it, which is good at this point, because anything that you hit, this would kind of absorb a lot of kind of force. So that way this is good. This is how it looks overall when we look at the car from side. So it definitely enhances the look, and at the same time this particular one, it suits my car more because there is this white sort of a lining, and as you can see my car is also white. That's why I went for this particular color. So overall good. I have been ordering a couple of accessories for my car, so we'll make more videos around it. Thanks for your time, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye.